Here we go. Here we go.
Pop your head out of your hand, please. Look out. Hey, bro, shoot that window over there. Shoot that building.
He ain't calling us hits over here.
Shoot the... Here, get behind the hay-ball. Look out. Oh, fuck. Oh, huge thorn bush.
Watch over there, watch over there.
Hey, Trent, splash him out of this window.
This is freaking awesome, dude.
Yeah, check it. Open your left window.
Yeah, they're walking back.
I fell down. I got him.
Make sure I was recording. Make sure I got that on film. That was awesome.
Did you hit him?
No. Ah, hit.
Oh shit. My bad. That was supposed to be me.
Hit.
Who's hitting you?
Well, he's a medic, so it don't matter.
Get down. Take it. It's our window over here.
Can't run over the car everywhere.
Oh, wait, he's a medic.
I know.
Yeah, I know. Here. Call over here.
Michael, watch the back.
I got you now. Alright, hold up. When he starts shooting, I'm gonna light him up.
15.
I hit him right in his gun. He's not calling his hit.
They don't call the hit gun.
Bitch.
We need to bang him.
I hit him in the goggles again.
Where is he?
He's right up there in that building.
I got this. That's him.
Hell, he's got to be almost out of rounds.
Fucking hell.
Unless he's got many mags.
Hit him. He's right there in that window. Guys, get the guys over in the bunker!
He has to be almost out of ammo, bro.
He probably is.
Maybe.
Hey! They're in the building.
God damn thorn bush.
Ah.
I want to die behind the hay bush. The hay bale. Go back. Shoot him, Mikey.
Hey, they're right up here. They're right up here in this building up here. If you can get around them, that'd be great. Yeah, it's the one to our right.
There's a kid right there. Is he a bad guy?
I
Just
hit him.
yeah, we got him. Nice. Oh, geez, he's on our team. Keep playing, then. Keep playing. Hey, keep playing.
He's bleeding in the hand. You got him in the
Rocky,
hand.
bang, bang.
Bro, may I pick up your pistol and start shooting?
I mean, yeah, sure, man.
No, not that, but you know.
Is that my dad over there running?
Look out, this one's pretty cool. Oh, check it. What's on that? Don't shoot him, bro. Oh, it's on safety.
Yeah, here you go. Here you go. Just run straight at him and start shooting at him, dude. It'd be awesome.
He's going to hit though.
Let him waste his ammo. Trenton.
Let him stop shooting on one. You got a green gas.
Huh?
You got a green gas.
Really?
Yeah.
Right there in the window.
I know.
Take him off, guys.
Son of a bitch.
Don't worry about me running out of all that thing right there.
Call your head, you bitch. I just hit him right there.
Here, cover me. I'm gonna run up on
Alright,
him.
go.
Hit! I'm gonna go back and spawn.
Come back here, bro. Hey, you got the pistol?
That's alright.